Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and I'm going to be working on a game for itch.io. There's a game jam coming up this next week, and yeah, I'm going to be working on a game. Woo! So my friend who I've moved in with, Heatblayze, you can probably catch him in a bunch of comments in the comment section below. He came up with this idea to work on some games, and we've been living here for about 3 weeks now, and there just happens to be a game jam, so it's kind of it feels a little like fate. But I'll be streaming this game jam with Heatblayze, and yeah, you'll be able to watch it next week, and hopefully there'll be a game to play at the end of it, which will be different. So yeah, that's kind of going in a different direction for this channel. I don't think I've done any game making stuff. This will be a digital game, just to be clear. No 3D printing involved. So yeah, something pretty exciting. I'm really keen to work on this, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited as well, because I'm going to be streaming it the whole time. And yeah, well, I don't know what the game is yet. If we actually jump over to itch.io, if you're not sure what itch.io is, or Game Jolt's the other one. They're basically websites where you can play indie games. People make indie games and they post them up and you can play them. Kind of like Thingiverse, except for video games. Yeah. Anyway, let's go check out this actual game jam. So currently there's 4,798 people involved, and it's a first of a kind game jam, and I'm just scrolling through here. There's currently no real setting or anything. It's pretty much no NSFW, which is not safe for work games. It's completely fair. Everything has to be made during the jam. This means you can't reuse any code or assets you have made before the jam or from any other sources, which is completely fair again. So I don't know what the thing is about. It could be literally anything right now, and it's kind of a bit spooky to be honest. Yeah. You can use fonts from the internet as long as you have the correct license for it, which is cool. Asset store assets are not allowed either, except for ones that don't contribute to the game itself, but make the workflow easier. You can use the tools that are in Unity Package Manager, except for the standard assets. So in Unity, it comes with a whole bunch of stock stuff. I guess I won't be able to use any of that. Which is cool. I mean, you can use the lighting and all those kind of effects and everything, which is cool. All game engines and frameworks are allowed. That's very crucial. Otherwise, there would be no games being posted. Generators are allowed as long as you have some control over the output. Now that's the rules. There's really not much going on with the rules. So I guess it comes down to what the game is going to be about. And I won't know until it starts. So it starts this Sunday, if I'm correct, and it ends on Saturday. So this Sunday will be the 25th of August, and it finishes on the 31st of August. So that's a whole week for a game. And Heatblayze and I have worked together before, and we've made a couple games in a week.
Hello, llamas. Looks like Zeus is crapping out some llamas. Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness, they just keep coming. So many llamas. So little time.
So that video clip was Adventures of a Geek, and he played our game Dalai Lama so many years ago, but now he's a good friend of mine, and I want him to play our game again and really give it a go, because he does really awesome editing, and recently he's been streaming too much Fortnite, and I want him to start editing videos again, so head over there and give him some love. His link will be in the description below. And yeah, hopefully we can get him to play our game in a week's time. Anyway, back to the video, and I'll fade away. So this is a very exciting. I'm really excited for it. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy what's to come. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to announce to you guys, and that's it. So stay tuned. Next week I will be streaming. I'm gonna have to set up a nice little stream output and everything, and yeah, hopefully we can make a game together. Well, thanks for watching this update, and let me know if you want a house tour, because I was gonna film around the house, but I'm not sure how interested people would be in that. So if you're interested, I'll be able to show you my workstation. I've set up a new area that I can work in, and it's we've got a little D&D table and everything, and I'd love to share what that looks like and how everything's set up. So let me know. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome. See you guys.
Imagine this guy going to work, telling his boss, yeah, hey, listen, boss man, sorry I'm late, but I slaughtered 17 llamas.